Today topic is about corneal abrasion and corneal foreign body. Let's discuss about how we can diagnose the corneal abrasion and corneal foreign body. So, corneal abrasion is a cut or scratch of the superficial layer of the cornea. It is the most common eye injury of the cornea and causes is trauma, contact lens wear and cornea blepharitis. Trauma with nail, finger, dust particle, insect or with anything, it causes the corneal abrasion. Here you have noticed the corneal cut and corneal scratch in the superficial layer of the cornea, that is epithelium layer, which is causes of abrasion. And one thing always notice that corneal erosion and corneal abrasion is different thing. In corneal erosion, patient always complain about dryness, but in corneal abrasion, patient never complain about dryness. And epithelium layer in the corneal erosion is loose attachment. Clinical finding is pain, watering, blurred vision, redness, difficulty in a light, foreign body sensation. Pain is due to the epithelium layer have the sensory pain fibers, which is 100 times more painful than our skin. Diagnosis method: slit lamp, fluorescent stain with cobalt blue filter and fluorescent strip. When the stain is positive, you will notice the surface of abrasion with green, bright green in color, जैसे कि ये इमेज में bright green color. And after that treatment, patching of the eye with eye ointment occupal for 24 hours. In the absence of this antibiotic ointment, you can use other also. Topical eye drop Cefalox 4 times a day for 5 days. And eye drop Tropica amide for 1 time to dilate the pupil, which has to relieve the pain. Refresh tear 6 times a day. Capsule Scorbit, this is vitamin tablet which has to good recover for healing of epithelium. Now let's know about the corneal foreign body, how to diagnose and how to remove the corneal foreign body. Extraocular foreign body are common in industrial area or factory or agriculture worker. In cornea, it is most embedded in epithelium or superficial layer of the stroma. And patient complain about photophobia, discomfort, watering and foreign body sensation. As seen in this image, this is corneal foreign body, as I pointed with the arrow. Diagnosis method is same as the corneal abrasion, but in case of a corneal foreign body, you can find with corneal loop also. When the stain is positive, you will notice the surface of the corneal foreign body is bright in color, bright green in color. And in case of the corneal foreign body, always notice about the DM fold, that is descent membrane fold. There is a 90% chance of descent membrane fold in case of corneal foreign body. Treatment is removal of corneal foreign body, antibiotic Moxicip, that is 4th generation. In case of 4th generation, also add the 2nd generation and 3rd generation of drop. Patch the eye in case of abrasion, otherwise no need to patch the eye. How to remove corneal foreign body? First, anesthetize the eye with local anesthesia, that is lignocaine. In the absence of lignocaine, you can use 2% of Xalocaine also. After 30 seconds, examine the eye with oblique illumination or direct illumination of slit lamp and remove the foreign body with hypodermic needle carefully with this needle. Thank you.